Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very good strategy for your landing page. If you are spending advertisement money to bring traffic to your landing page and you are a quote-based business, basically what I'm saying is if the first interaction between you and your target audience starts with offering a quote for the project or something, you have a landing page, you have a form in that, and you're just asking about the name, email, and phone number. You're asking them to leave their name, email, phone number. That's never going to work anymore because there's a lot of competitors in any area, in any country, in any kind of business. There are multiple competitors. They're running ads, right? So if someone comes to the page, they see your page, they see the other pages as well. If they feel cared of in any of the other competitors' landing pages or websites, they're instantly going to go with that, right? So the strategy is like this: replace that form with a survey first of all. So what the survey will carry is really important for you to listen, right? So you need to do a survey, a Go High Level survey. If you are on Go High Level, or if you are using any other CRM or any other website or page builder, all of them have a survey ability. So the survey will basically carry a few good, really important questions, and those questions need to be addressing the quote, right? So the people who are filling out this survey need to think that, okay, these are the questions anyone would ask me if they wanted to give me a quote. Basically, these need to be really important questions. So for example, let's talk about this landing page for a minute. So I'm basically checking if they qualify for a loan, right? So we're first of all asking, do you have a deal scenario? I have a deal right now. I'm still exploring, right? So I'm going to say I'm still exploring. What kind of funding do you need? So they offer these. So I just need to know, in order to give them a quote for a loan, what kind of loan they need first, right? So this is really important. So I'm going to say fix and flip. Are you purchasing or refinancing? So, okay, purchasing. What kind of property are you getting the loan for? So I'll say single family. How will this property be used? So, that's really important that you address these questions, because they know that you need answers to these questions as the business owner to process a loan, or give them a quote for the loan. So that's why addressing these questions are really important. I know this looks different than a Go High Level survey. This is a Go High Level survey. I did some custom CSS in it to make it look a bit better, but yeah, this is a part of my paid landing page. So anyway, one more thing I would say. So we addressed form will be replaced by a survey. The survey should ask questions that make sense, and questions that people feel that they need to be asked if they want to be served a quote for anything, any quote-based businesses. And this needs to be used on the top fold. So this is the first thing literally people see when they land on the page. That's really important, right? One more thing is, on the survey, you need to enable the progress bar. So no matter how it is, like showing 5th question of 7 questions, they need to know that what stage they are on. I know in Go High Level survey, you can turn off the progress bar, but I don't usually do that. Even if it makes my survey look a bit messy, I just keep it like that, because people really need to know what stage they're on. If you want to show percentage, like 10% completed, 25% completed, like that, you can do that, or you can do it like how I did, right? So again, replace the form with a survey, ask really meaningful questions in the survey, have it on the top fold, and enable the progress bar. That will increase your conversion rate like crazy. I know this elongates the process of them leaving their details, but you can ask the details on the last step of the survey. Trust me, this works, right? I've been using it for a long time, but I just figured out that it works for any kind of quote-based business. So that's all for the video. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.